Okay, question 14. This question is, it looks like part A and part B, they've got a bit of work to them. So the diagram shows a trapezium, and it's given the measurements, the lengths in sort of algebraic expressions, but it's saying that the measurements are in centimetres, and the area is 46 centimetres squared. Alright, so we've got to show that x squared plus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Well, what's that got to do with what we've just been told? So the only thing we can do is make this relationship up. The area equals 46. So we know that the area equals 46 centimetres squared. So let's try and work out the area of the trapezium. Now the area for a trapezium, if we have parallel sides, the distance between the parallel sides is the height, and the A and the B are the parallel sides. So we label this A, B and H. The formula for the area is you have to add together A and B and find their average, so divide by 2, and then just times that by the height. Alright, so it's a bit like a rectangle, length times width, but you have to find the average of the two lengths first before timing it by the height. So let's start filling these in. A is 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 plus B, which is 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3. And that's all going to be divided by 2. So once we've sorted that bit out, we will then go ahead and times that by the height, which is 2x plus 3, and we will set it all equal to, because remember this is the area we're working out. What does the area equal? The area should equal 46, so let me put 46 on the end. Okay? But I'm going to try and sort the left hand side of the equation out first. Lots to do. So let's try and add this together. 3x plus 5x is 8x. 1 plus 3 is 4, and that's been divided by 2. Okay, and that's multiplied by all of this still. Alright, so still got this all here. I'm just going to sort this bit out first. It's dividing by 2, isn't it? So we can simplify 8x and 4. We can divide them all by 2. That will give me 4x plus 2. So that's all of this bracket sorted out. So shall we do? Let's try and generate some space here. So let's start. I'm going to block off this section here for a second. Alright, so I'm going to take this bit here, the bit that we sorted out, the bracket. All of this boils down to 4x plus 2. So it's 4x plus 2 times this bracket here, 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. Let's try and work out what this is before we set it to 46. So we're going to multiply out two brackets, times those two together. 4x plus 2 times 2x is 8x squared. Then we've got 4x times 3, which is 12x. 2 times 2x is 4x. And 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, and that equals 46. Great. Now everything can be divided by, I think can be divided by 2. So underneath, I'm going to write down, divide it all by 2, see what happens. So if I've got 4x squared plus 6x plus 2x plus 3 equals 46. Oh, no, that's wrong. Divided by 2, haven't I? So what do I get there? That's going to be 23. So just try and make this equal 0, because up here you're supposed to set it equal to 0. And I'm going to simplify this bit of algebra here with the x's. So 4x squared plus 6 add 2 is 8x. And 23, we're going to have to take away 23 from both sides, which is going to leave me with minus 20 over here equals 0. Well, that's handy, because that is going to give me something that can, again, all be divided by 4. So if we divide everything by 4, so dividing by 4, both sides, 0 divided by 4 is still 0. This divided by 4 is x squared. This divided by 4 is 2x, and minus 20 divided by 4 is minus 5. And that is what we were setting out to show, so that's good.